I'm Jareen, a partner at Strong Professional. We are a boutique learning and development firm working with companies of all sizes on training, coaching, facilitation, and consulting. Before Smartify, our systems were not talking to each other. We were all spending way too much time on manual processes, and our website was outdated and needed a complete overhaul. Finding the right partner felt next to impossible. I needed someone who could handle our CRM and build a website that integrated with everything else. And I found that most providers did one or the other and not both. But Smartify delivered on both fronts. They're responsive, they're strategic and thoughtful, and they really helped us cut through the chaos of our systems, giving us a clear roadmap for improvement over time and ultimately helped to reduce our manual busy work. So now we have this beautiful, modern, functional website that connects to our back end. We've got clear priorities for what to fix next, and we've got some smoother processes happening across the board. So I would highly recommend Smartify. They have a thoughtful approach, deep strategic thinking, and really deliver on execution. So high marks all around.